I destroyed the box, and this is how it looks on the inside. It's advertised as a soft bag, great for beginners, and it is a filled bag. It's supposed to be about 50 pounds.
My particular set had a ceiling mount, which is exactly what I needed. It had boxing gloves, hand wraps. It also had a wall mount, which I didn't use. It has the little boxing glove, a jump rope, a wrist strengthener, a few more bolts, a little loop swivel, and it has chains, and also has a keychain glove. I love it. And now I'm going to attempt to take it upstairs. So what I like about this bag is that it has quite thick leather here, and it has iron loops. It is going up here. I'm going to put the hook like right between the studs, and it should give me enough space for punching all the way around. So it's going to be far away from this wall and pretty far away from this wall. I'm first marking somewhere in the middle. Okay, so the bolt should work quite well here in my 2x4. Here's the bolt. I'm going to be using 7x32 drill bit. I'm kind of eyeing it. Safety first. A little dirty. Okay, so let's do the second hole. So it also came with washers, so it's going in. So hopefully I can muscle it all the way, and I don't have to wait for my husband to finish the job, because he doesn't know that the bag is already here. So I want to surprise him and have it all done before he gets home tonight. So it's going good. I'm happy with this. Oh my gosh, I love having all the extra tools at home. Okay, so I'm not going to go all the way with this one until I put the other one in. So let's do it. That one went in quite easily, so let's see if this one works the same way. So I'm going to have to force it a little bit at first. Okay, well, I would say that's all the way. And the first one. Okay, that's it. Next thing I have to do is to put in this, and it's kind of difficult to undo it. It has a hole in here, so I put it in and help myself opening it. And I still don't know how it's exactly supposed to be. Okay, is that it? So let's see how well my strength training is going. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm putting it up on my step stool, and I'm really hoping that I don't fall. Okay. Oh. Well, look at that. Perfect. I thought I was going to struggle much more, but I'm not. 50-pound bag is awesome, for me at least. I love the fact that I can set it up all by myself. Without injuring myself, hopefully. Almost done, almost done. So third and fourth. Alright, this bag is advertised as a great bag for a beginner boxer, kickboxer, MMAer, because it is quite soft. So it's possible to open it and to fill it up. And look at this. Well, this came undone. One thing I'm going to do is, because it's going to be moving, kind of don't want these parts to be right on the bag, so I'm actually going to change the direction of the hook, just because I feel that it's going to be a little bit safer for the bag. Yeah, just like this. So 1,
And I put all of them this way, so I have to undo all of them. Yep, okay. I have a bag in my home.
As a beginner, I absolutely love this bag. It is soft and it is so pretty. Just look at it. I love it. On the other hand, my husband, who took a second place in a sundock competition in New York City, said that this bag cannot hold his punches and his kicks because it kind of folds into two, and it really does. I've seen it. In his professional opinion, this bag is awesome for weight loss, for beginner martial artists, and also it would work very well for grappling or for working on holds for jiu-jitsu or any other wrestling on the floor. He thinks that it's not going to work for throwing because it just might fall apart.
So I'm going to see, maybe because it does have a hook here too, so I'm going to see what concoction I can put in my floor to hold this bag in place. But so far I like the fact that it's quite soft and it's not going to hurt my gentle hands.